The latest must-have accessory for SUVs, pickups and four-wheel drives. A running board that deploys and retracts automatically. Designed for easy boarding and disembarking from high-set vehicles. eBoard manoeuvres into position and automatically retracts when the door is closed to allow regular ground clearance beneath the vehicle. eBoard operates flawlessly in snow, dust, mud or dirt, with die-cast aluminium components fitted to military precision to resist wear and corrosion. With a 250 kilogram load capacity and deployment testing of more than 100,000 times, eBoard comes with a 2-year warranty. Take your vehicle to the next step. eBoard from Tyrant 4x4 Accessories.